Everyone knows about the Big Bang and the expanding universe. We know the universe is stretching out further every single second. But have you ever wondered how it all ends? Scientists have a theory called the Big Crunch. But here is the kicker. The Qur'an described this exact event over 1,400 years ago. In Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 104, Allah says, "The day when we will fold the heaven like the folding of a written sheet for the records. As we began the first creation, we will repeat it." Think about that wording. Folding the heaven like a sheet. In the 7th century, people wrote on scrolls. When you were done, you rolled the scroll back up. This verse is telling us the entire universe will eventually be rolled back to where it started. Let's understand the Big Crunch in the easiest way possible. First, look at this video of the universe. You see Earth, then galaxies, the cosmic web, the multiverse. They are still expanding right now. But science tells us that when the expansion reaches its maximum level, gravity will take over and the world will collapse. Just like this video playing in reverse. This is the Big Crunch. Just like this reverse video, the galaxies will rush toward each other. The fabric of spacetime will fold back up. Everything, the stars, the planets, the multiverse will be crushed back into a single point, exactly how it began. Science calls it the Big Crunch. The Quran called it the folding. For centuries, people thought the universe was unchanging. Then we thought it would expand forever. But modern science is now realizing that a total collapse is a real possibility. How could a book from 1,400 years ago use such a specific, perfect scientific metaphor? It is not a coincidence. It is a sign. If you want to see more videos on how science is catching up to the Quran, hit that subscribe button. Which topic should I make next? How the world will end according to all Quran verses? Or the signs of the end hours? Let me know in the comments.